Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add Gmail to your iPhone. So firstly you need to open the settings application on your iPhone, and then I will use the searching bar and type mail. Okay, so then you want to click Mail Account and then click Add Account. From this list you need to choose Google, and then you want to enter your email address. Tap Next button, and you need to enter your password. Okay, let me enter my password so that you don't see it. And when you're done entering your password, tap Next. Click Continue button, and then you need to allow access to some functions. Read these functions through and simply mark like that, and you can unmark if you don't need that. So for example, I want to select all and then scroll down and click Continue button. And now you want to select the items you want to synchronize. It is mail, contacts, calendars, and notes. It depends on your preferences, so you just need to move the slider to the left to disable and move the slider to the right to enable. And when you're done selecting the items, confirm your choice by clicking Save button. So that's how you add Gmail to your iPhone. I hope this video will help you, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.